Here's our new office in Ocean Village Marina in the heart of Southampton on a gorgeous autumn morning.
We've had an exceptional year here at Argo with record-breaking sales, and with the demand still so high we're struggling to match it. So what we really need at the moment are listings. And if you're considering to sell your boat, now is the perfect time to do it. So we can help regardless of your yacht's location from any of our European offices, which include Spain, Balearics, Germany and of course the UK. Argo massively benefits from being a sister brand to Princess Motor Yacht Sales, which has 50 plus years of service and sales experience in Europe. And this massively benefits the speed of the sale of your yacht. And here are some of the features that we can include in the sale. So with your listing with Argo Yachting, we will exclusively offer extensive online advertising through all the major website portals, as well as social media. There will be personal yacht broker tours that we conduct, as well as drone footage, which we can do on a sea trial. So we do print media advertising. There's also enhanced search functions and premium placements on the websites. And quite importantly, we have access to the whole of Princess Motor Yacht Sales database and network, with them being the largest distributor of Princess yachts worldwide. It's a huge boost to advertising your boat to a massive database. Last but not least, we have a full professional photo shoot of the boat, as well as a video and a 3D virtual tour, which is really useful in a time like this where travel can be quite restricted. The clients can see the boat from top to bottom with virtual tours and videos and everything, and the drone footage. So it really is a full media package we can include.
And this boat, I forgot to mention, actually has the original Fairline cutlery and glassware. The cutlery is actually never been
To help sell your boat quicker and add value to your boat, we also offer quite a unique package for the buyer, and this includes a free technical orientation with one of our engineers from our service team, so they can be really comfortable with the boat, get to know it for a day. And we also can underwrite a part exchange, so when someone has a boat to sell, we can try and take that in to help the deal. So it really brings in another market. If you're thinking of listing your boat, please do get in contact with us. There's so much demand at the moment and there's never been a better time to sell. Every boat, regardless of value and age, gets the same marketing exposure treatment. So it really is a full package. Please find our contact details below. We really look forward to hearing from you.